Hi everyone, today our topic exponents and powers. What is 2 to the power 0? Is it 0 or is it 1? And what happens when you multiply 2 raised power 3 multiply by 2 raised power 4? Do you add the powers or multiply them? If you are not 100% sure, stay till the end because by the end of this video, exponents will feel like basic addition. Let's go. What is an exponent? An exponent tells you how many times a number is multiplied by itself. For example, 2 raised power 4. How many times multiply? 4. 2 multiply by 2. 2 multiply by 2. 2 multiply by 2. Here 2 multiply by 4 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Here 2 raised by 4 is equal to 16. Here 2s are base and 4s are exponent. Here base is 2. 4 is exponent. Base the number. Exponent how many times to multiply the base by itself. Here base is 2 multiplied by 4 times. Next, what is 2 raised power 2? 2 raised power 0. Is it 0? No. 2 raised power 0 is equal 1. What happens when you multiply 2 raised power 3 multiply 2 raised power 4? Every number which is power 0, which is exponent will be 0, then answer will be 1. What happens when you multiply 2 raised power 3 multiply 2 raised power 4? Since the bases are the same, if bases are same, then power will be added. Powers in exponents. Exponents will be added. 2 raised power 3 multiply 2 raised power 4. 4 plus 3 7. 2 raised power 7 is equal to multiply by 7. 2 multiply by 7 times equal 128. 128. Here laws of exponents. First law, multiply same bases. If bases are same, then power will be added. Exponents will be added. Here bases are same. A raised power m multiply a raised power n. Bases are same, then powers will be added. A raised power m plus n. For example, 2 raised power 3 multiplied by 2 raised power 4. Here the bases are same, 2, then exponents will be added. 3 plus 4, 4 3s are 7, 4 3 7, 2 raised power 7, 2 raised power 7. 2 multiplied by 7 times equal 128. Power will be added. Second, if same bases are in a division form, then power and exponents will be negative. Here bases are same, then m raised m minus n. In simple form, we can say that if bases are same, exponents are different in division, then powers and exponents will be negative. Here bases are same, a raised power m minus n, because same basis in division. For example, 5 raised power 6 divided by 5 raised power 2. In division, subtract exponents. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. 5 raised power 4, 5 multiplied by 4 times will be equal to 625. If same basis in division, then exponents will be negative. Law number 3, power of a power. Here, a raised power m whole power n. If power of a power, then powers will be multiplied. M raised power n, m n will be multiplied. A m multiplied by n, multiply the exponents. 3 raised power, for example, 3 raised power 2 whole power 3. 3 as it is, 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 raised power 6. 3 multiplied by 3 multiply by 6 times. 3 multiplied by 6 times, then will be 729. Law number 4, 0 exponent. Here, if any number have 0 exponent, then answer will be 1. 100 raised power 0 is equal to 1. 999 raised power 0 is equal to 1. If any non-zero number to the power 0 equal 1. Next, law number 5, negative exponent. Here, a raised power minus 1 is equal to 1 raised power 1 by a raised power n. If exponent will be negative, then reciprocal will be positive. Here, 2 raised power minus 3 is equal to 1 over 2 raised power 3 is equal to 1 over 8. Here, negative exponents, then it will be reciprocal, then it will be positive. Here, 2 raised power minus 3 change in reciprocal 2 raised power 3. If we change exponents in reciprocal, it will be change in positive. Here 2 raised power 3 will be positive is equal to 1 over 8. 2 multiplied by 3 times is equal to 8. Negative exponents means reciprocal, not a negative number. Quick practice. Here, what is 3 raised power 4? Simplify 7 raised power 5 divided by 7 raised power 2. What is 10 raised power 0? What is 2 raised power minus 4? Do yourself. Common mistake. Here, mistake number 1. multiply the bases by the exponent instead of multiply the base by itself. Here 2 raised power 4 is not. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. It's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Which means that 2 not 2 multiplied by 4. Its correct form is 2 multiplied by 4 times is equal to 16. Mistake number 2. Adding powers when bases are different. You can only add powers when the basis is the same. If we add different exponents, bases are same, then if bases are same in multiply, then powers will be added. But in this condition here, bases are different and exponents will be different. Cannot be simplified this way. Adding powers when bases are different. When bases are different, then powers will be add. Cannot be simplified in this way. If in this form here, in this form, 2 raised power 3 multiplied by 2 raised power 4. Here bases are same, then powers will be added. If in this form 2 raised power 3 multiplied by 2 raised power 2, here bases are different, then exponents will not be added. Here mistake number 3, linking a negative exponent makes the number negative. Here 2 raised power minus 2, here exponent will be exponent is negative, then changing reciprocal then it will become positive. Here reciprocal is positive. 2 raised power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 raised power 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 by 4, not negative 4. So thinking a negative exponent makes the number negative. Not exponent negative, give the answer will be negative. If exponent will be negative, then reciprocal will be positive. Then answer will also be positive, not a negative. Remember, same basis is multiply same basis, then powers to be added. If in the real form, same basis, then subtract powers. If power of power multiply by power. Zero power always have zero exponent. Any number has zero exponent, then answer will be 1. Negative power reciprocal fraction here. 2 raised power minus 2. Every active exponent changing reciprocal and answer will be positive. If this helps you understand exponent better, hit subscribe. Next, you will covering pairs and square roots and exponents will make that topic super easy to see you in the next video.